Welcome to a PowerPoint presentation from Innovative Research and Products, rather IRAP. IRAP has published a new report, Production and Applications of Carbon Nanotubes, Carbon Nanofibers, Fullerenes, Graphene and Nanodiamonds, a global technology survey and market analysis. Carbon nanotubes, which is also known as CND, consists of single-wall nanotubes and multi-wall carbon nanotubes. Carbon nanotubes have unique, interesting and potentially useful electrical and mechanical properties and offer potential for various uses in electronic devices. Carbon nanotubes also feature extremely high electrical conductivity, very small diameters, much less than 100 nanometers, and large aspect ratios. These features make carbon nanotubes ideal for electron field emitters, while white light sources, lithium secondary batteries, hydrogen storage cell, transistors and cathode ray tubes. Carbon nanotubes can be used in applications that include field emission devices, memory devices, that includes high density memory arrays, memory logic switching arrays, nano micro electromechanical devices, AFM imaging probes, distributed diagnostics sensors and strain sensors. Other key applications include thermal control materials, super strength and lightweight reinforcement and nanocomposites, EMI shielding materials, catalytic support, gas storage materials, high surface area electrodes, and lightweight conductor cable and wires. The term carbon nanofiber is used for a hollow or solid carbon fiber with several microns in length and diameters varying from tens of nanometers to hundreds of nanometers. Carbon nanofibers are used as high performance fillers in electrodes of lithium-ion batteries. Carbon nanofibers can be used to improve various mechanical properties in polymers and can also increase the thermal conductivity of various materials. Graphene is a relatively new form of carbon made up of a single layer of atoms arranged in honeycomb-shaped lattices. Despite being one atom thick and chemically simple, graphene is extremely strong and highly conductive, making it ideal for high-speed electronics, photonics and beyond. Carbon fullerenes are spherical cage molecules with carbon atoms located at the corner of the polyhedral structure consisting of pentagons and hexagons, much like the shape of a soccer ball. Fullerenes are used in thermal insulation, chemical mechanical planarization, drug delivery and other uses. Ultra nanocrystalline diamond is unique, or rather nanodiamond is a unique nanomaterial which can be easily produced in hundreds of kilograms by detonation synthesis. Nanodiamonds can be included in various compositions to take advantage of the ability of nanodiamond to bond with biological materials and to improve mechanical strength. The report segments the world into three regions to analyze production of carbon nanomaterials, that is North America, Europe and Asia including Australia. The report provides markets according to types of materials, applications and regions. More than 180 companies manufacturing nanocarbon materials that measured 100 nanometers or less are profiled in the report, which includes contact information of all these companies. There are over 1,000 companies and institutions that are developing or producing products using these materials, which incorporate carbon nanotubes and other nanocarbon materials. According to the new IRAP report, the production capacity for all products was 4,065 tons in 2010 and is expected to exceed 12,300 tons in 2015. The actual production was less than 25% of the capacity in 2010 and about 50% of the capacity expected to be by 2015. Total production value is estimated at about $435 million in 2010 and is expected to reach a value of $1.3 billion in 2015. Prices for all products are expected to fall by an average of about 12% a year for the next 5 years. In terms of market share, in 2010, the largest market is for single-wall nanotubes, followed by multi-wall nanotubes and carbon nanofibers and fullerenes. Graphene market is currently very small. Growth is chiefly driven by multi-wall carbon nanotubes in the next 5 years and will have the largest market share by 2015. Single-wall nanotubes are the most expensive nanocarbon product. They are much more difficult to produce than multi-wall carbon nanotubes and are best suited for electronic applications. The report has been published in February 2011 and it is 531 pages long. The price of the report is $4,350 for a printed copy and $3,950 for a single user license. It can be ordered from IRAP. To order the report, that is Production and Applications of Nanocarbon Products, visit our website www.innoresearch.net or call in the United States 203-569-7909.